Hello DIY lovers, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made these unisex pouches. This can serve as makeup bags for the ladies and clipper bags for the guys. So without wasting time, let's get started. To make this unisex pouch, you don't really need much for this. So these are just a few items we'll be needing to make this, and you can get all these items from people that sell shoe making and bag making materials in the market. So we'll be needing our synthetic leather, bag strap, a zipper. So this is all we'll be needing to make this pouch, and the measurement I have for this synthetic leather is 16 inches by 13. 16 by 13. So without wasting time, let's just go to the sewing machine and let's put this together. So the first thing I'm going to do, at this point where I have 13 inches, I'm going to be fixing my zipper at this point. Fixing the zip on both sides, I'm just going to bend this over like this, and I'll be top stitching on my synthetic leather just very close to the zip. After fixing the zipper like this, I'm just going to close this halfway from the inside, and I'm going to cut out the excess zip. So after cutting the excess zip, I'll come to this point. I'm just going to fold like this. At this end, I'm just going to make a notch to get the center of this, and I'm going to place this. I'm going to place this zipper at this point where I notched. And I'll go ahead and sew this up by ½ inch. After sewing by ½ inch, I'll come back to the opposite side, and I'm going to bring this together, and I'm going to notch to get the midpoint. At this point where I notched, I'm going to bring my zip together like this, and I will close this up by ½ inch, just the way I did for the opposite side. So after closing the two ends, I'll come to this point. At this point where I have my stitches, I'll take my tape in by 2 inches. I'll go in by 2 inches from this point where I stitched, and I'll come down by 2 inches. So what I have here is 2 inches by 2 inches, and I'm going to mark out, and I will be cutting this out. So I'm going to be using this to cut out on the remaining 3 sides. So I'm just going to place this on the opposite side, and I'll be using this to cut out on the 3 sides. Cutting out the 4 corners like this, I'll be using my bag strap to seal up these rough ends. After fixing this, I'll be using my lighter to burn this rough edge to prevent it from loosening. So after doing this, I'm going to be cutting the handle for the pouch. I'll be using the back strap for the handle as well. So I'll be cutting 7 inches. So you can make yours longer depending on your preference. And I'll go ahead and bond this to prevent it from loosening. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to notch this part. So after notching, I'm just going to open this up like this, and I'll bring this part to meet this point where I notched. I'm just going to bring this together like this, and I'll be sewing this by 1/2 inch. After closing up this part, I'll be using my back strap to seal this up. After sewing, I'll be burning this. So it's time to fix the handle. So I'll be fixing it from the inside. So I'm just going to get the center of this and notch. I'll get the center of this and notch. So I'm just going to take my handle inside and I'm just going to secure the handle first. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. So where I have this notch, I'll just place this handle on it and I'm going to secure it. So after fixing the handle, I'll be closing this up. After closing the 2 sides, I'll go ahead and seal up with my back strap. So after sealing, I'll go ahead and bond this. This is to prevent it from loosening. So this is basically all for this pouch. I'll go ahead and turn this out. So my pouch is ready. So simple to make. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.